Did you know that some birds can sleep with one eye open? It's not a joke. They have a special ability called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. One half of their brain sleeps, while the other half stays awake and alert. The open eye is connected to the awake side of the brain, so they can watch for predators even while resting. This is especially common in ducks, geese, and many migratory birds. They can even control how much of their brain stays awake, depending on how dangerous the situation is. Nature gave them the perfect way to rest without becoming an easy target. Now you know.